Welcome to TechTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert last name first name into first name last name. Let us go to the video.
In this spreadsheet we can see the last name and first name and initial format. Usually the general format for name is first name, middle initial and last name. I will show you how to do this using formula in 2 minutes. Then type MIDA2. Then include find function. Type len function by following method. Now we have finished the formula. Let's test the formula is working. And the name Wiley Larry E is changed into Larry E. Wiley. Kindly check the description area and find the formula. Now you can apply the same formula through all the cells and able to see the changes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel.